Hello, this is Zack. Welcome to my channel. This word is force majeure. Force majeure. This word is pronounced force majeure. In the legal and business world, it's a provision that frees both parties from liability and obligations when an extraordinary and unforeseeable event beyond their control occurs, making it impossible to fulfill the contract. Force majeure. It's pronounced force majeure. Force majeure. An unexpected and uncontrollable event that prevents someone from fulfilling a contract or obligation. For an event to qualify as force majeure, it should be unforeseeable, external, and irresistible. Force majeure. This word is force majeure. Thanks. Please watch other videos on my channel for other words pronunciations.